Hi friends, how are you all? Here your friend Rajnikant Excel Guru, and here is the query given by one of our friend in Telegram group. Okay, so here I am going to show you the two methods, right? First method and second method. Actually what he needs to know the how to get this one, like serial numbers. Okay, every time he has to type like this CE hyphen 01, sorry, CD something hyphen 02. How many times he will do? If he needs 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, like that. Okay, so for that reason I will show you the two methods. Okay, I'll zoom so that easily you can find it out. Okay, so here it is. I'll delete this one. This one also. Okay, now just watch it. He needs like this CE hyphen 01 to CE 25, CE hyphen 02 to CE actually CE 26, 27, 28, like this. Okay, CP 22 to 25. So in whichever you column, what type of need you have to format before. If you have any calculations like that, if it is normal, then you can do it normal wise. Only the text, okay, leave it off. If it needs any calculations like plus or minus, then you have to use the format one. See, CE01 to CE25. Okay, select the whole row, control 1, custom CE capital. Okay, CE. How many do you need? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if how many you need to type that many zeros, 10, 11, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3, still 3 I need. Okay, let's see it will work or not. 0, 1. Okay, I'll type only 1. Okay, see, I type only 2. I type only 3. Okay guys, I type 5. Okay, it will do calculations, is equal to this plus 2. See, this can do calculations. Underneath of this cell it will show you the correct one. See here, 2. This is a formula. Okay, if you need calculation with this code, then you have to use this format method. Okay, and another thing is that I'll show you here. C only is equal to text, open the bracket. First of all I'll show you what it is equal to rows, open the bracket, $3. I'm locking the row but not the column. So what it will do, it will show you the 1 from here to here, 1, enter 1. If I drag this, it will become 2. If I drag this like this, it will become a 5. Okay, so what it will do, it will start from there and it will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay, so this formula I will use in the text format. Text, open the bracket, come to here, comma, CE. How many zeros you need? Just I'll keep the 3 zeros here also. Okay, likewise you can do it. Okay, sorry, something wrong over here. Something wrong. The procedure is correct. Wait a minute guys. Text okay, I'll do one thing. It has to work actually. I don't know why. Sometimes my Excel will give you some problems. The procedure is correct. You do one thing, instead of doing like this, add here CE ampersand, sorry, equal to, equal already there, quotations, CE hyphen quotation, whatever you need you can type that code over here, control enter. But it is a text, not a number. Okay, not a number. Suppose if I want only 2 zeros, control enter. If I want okay, 1 0, let's see what will happen. See, here is the magic, guys. Why I am keeping 00 means, see, after 9 it will become a 10, 11 like this. Okay, 9, 10, 11. If you keep 1 0, what will happen? Let's see. It will 1 0. See, if you need a 0 before the number, then you have to keep that one, else leave it off. Okay, guys. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.